And here we go. Here is my unboxing video of my brand new 2021 Alfa Romeo TI Sport. I'll just do a quick walk around. I wanted to do this video before I got this car dirty. Right now it's still relatively clean from the dealership. The Alfa Romeo badge. It's got the yellow brake calipers, and the color of this is called Misano Blue. So I'm not really gonna talk too much about this. I'll do that in the next video when I talk about like the package of this and what came with it, what didn't come with it, what I had to add on. Because the base Giulia models is it doesn't even come with GPS. It's super basic, the base one. And this is fully loaded. Let's take a quick look of the interior. Quick look while everything is still fresh and clean. So it's got the upgraded sport seats, which I absolutely needed. I needed the seats and I needed the paddle shifters. It was incredibly hard to find any used Alfa Romeo Giulias with the paddle shifters. Like, they all seem to be leased base models. So that's kind of the reason why I had to buy it brand spanking new. So thanks for watching. I will do a more in-depth first look of this car probably in a couple days. Peace.